A lot about recycling paper, cans, bottles, even Christmas trees, but what about electronics, old computers, old cell phones, fax machines? Just dumping them in a dumpster and taking them to landfill is a bad idea. That's because some of the material inside of them is toxic. It is bad for the environment. Well, starting tomorrow and running through next Friday, Innisbrook in Pinellas County is holding an e-drive, and it's being handled by Intercon Solutions. Ossie is here to talk about it this morning. Good to see you. Thank you for coming in. A lot of people, I think, including me, have been made aware about how bad this situation is by that story that was on 60 Minutes a few weeks back. Computers, the old analog TVs getting dumped. They're so dangerous because of all the chemicals that are inside them.
That is correct, yes.
Talk to me about that.
Well, you know, computers, electronics, they have waste materials inside, you know, lead, chlorides, mercury, the things that we don't know about. Right. And they are the toxic materials.
All right. And it's the fear is they get into the ground if they're in a landfill, or they get into the water and they poison the water and that sort of thing. All right, your company, Intercon Solutions, what is it that you all do that keeps it safe?
Well, we offer a complete recycling process. What we actually do, we cater for the environment. We have no tolerance for landfills. We don't export to other countries. We don't incinerate, and we don't resell on the market, which actually could cause a data security problem as well.
So what do you do with it? I mean, you essentially demanufacture.
That is correct. What we actually do, we solely focus on recovering the raw materials. We demanufacture everything. So breaking everything down, taking out the raw materials out of it.
Okay. Now, how is this Innisbrook e-drive going to work? What do I need to do?
Very simple. Just show up at Innisbrook on US 19. Yeah. Show up there, and there'll be drivers on hand. They'll point you in two different directions, and we have people there going to help you unload all your electronics from your car.
And when you say all your electronics, we're talking computers, we're talking cell phones,
calculators, anything that's electronics, TVs,
analog TVs.
Analog TVs,
getting rid of those?
Exactly. That's correct.
All right. Now here's my thing. Because and you and I have talked about this a little bit. I've got this old computer, this old laptop, and I know I need to get rid of it. My concern, though, is I've got information inside there that I don't want anyone else to see. I've got bank stuff in there. I've got that kind of stuff. What do how do I get rid of it?
I can assure you that data security is destroyed because of our demanufacturing process. You see, when we focus on recovering the raw materials, we break down everything, which destroys it.
So it's safe and it's gone, and nobody's going to get their hands on it.
Absolutely.
But you also said I can take the card out if I'm concerned.
Yes, if you want to, absolutely.
Okay, and that should help me get all my important information out. It's a great idea, and I have a feeling that we're going to be hearing a lot more from you guys and from your company, because I've been looking at their website. They certainly do it right. I want to tell everybody the Innisbrook e-drive starts tomorrow, Saturday, January 3rd, runs through Friday, January the 8th. It's from 8 to 5 o'clock at Innisbrook Resort and Golf Club on US 19 as you're headed up from toward Tarpon Springs. And what did I say? Friday's the 9th? Friday's the 8th. What is it? 9th? Sorry, Friday the 9th. And if you want to find out more information about it, go to myfoxtampabay.com. Very important point to make. It's also free. Ossie, thank you.
Thank you,
Appreciate you very much for coming in. Take care of yourself. Happy New Year.
And you too. Thank you.